How to add a link on your Instagram story. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can add any Instagram link to your Instagram story. So first of all, open your Instagram and then click on your story at the top left. And now just click on your camera or click on any picture that you want to post. And after that, you can just swipe up. After swiping up, you'll be able to see this option, link. After clicking on link, you can paste your website or the link that you wish to add on your story's URL. For example, I'm writing www.xyz.co.uk, and you can also customize any sticker for that, whichever you want. Now, after that, just click on done. And once you click on done, you'll be able to see this link added to your story. So go ahead and click on this arrow icon. And after that, whoever views your story can just click on the link and they will be redirected to the respective link website which you have mentioned. So that is how you can add any external link to your Instagram story.